Postmaster General of Canada. The Postmaster General of Canada was the Canadian cabinet minister responsible for the Post Office Department, Canada Post. In 1851, management of the post office was transferred from Britain Royal Mail to the provincial governments of the Province of Canada, New Brunswick, Newfoundland, Nova Scotia and Prince Edward Island. The position of Postmaster General was established in each province. With Canadian Confederation in 1867, a single position was created replacing this post in all of the above provinces except Newfoundland. This position was abolished in 1981 when the post office was transformed from a government department into a crown corporation. Since 1981, Canada Post has been led by a president and CEO. From 1900 until 1909, the Postmaster General was also responsible for the Department of Labour. It now reports to the Minister of Public Services and Procurement. Postmasters General. Alexander Campbell. Under Macdonald, July 1, 1867, June 30, 1873. John O'Connor, 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 O'Connor. Under MacDonald, July 1, 1873, November 5, 1873. Donald Alexander MacDonald. Under Mackenzie, November 7, 1873, May 17, 1875. Telesphore Fournier. Under Mackenzie, May 19, 1875, October 7, 1875. Lucius Seth Huntington. Under Mackenzie, October 9, 1875, October 8, 1878. Hector Louis Langevin. Under MacDonald, October 19, 1878, May 19, 1879. Sir Alexander Campbell. Under MacDonald, May 20, 1879, January 15, 1880, second time. John O'Connor, 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 O'Connor. Under MacDonald, January 16, 1880, November 7, 1880, second time. Sir Alexander Campbell. Under MacDonald, November 8, 1880, May 18, 1881, third time. John O'Connor, 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 O'Connor. Under MacDonald, May 20, 1881, May 22, 1882, third time. John Carling, Carling. Under MacDonald, May 23, 1882, September 24, 1885. Sir Alexander Campbell. Under MacDonald, September 25, 1885, January 26, 1887, fourth time. Time. Archibald McLellan. Under MacDonald, January 27, 1887, July 9, 1888. John Carling, Carling. Under MacDonald, July 11, 1888, August 5, 1888, second time. John Graham Haggart. Under MacDonald, August 6, 1888, June 6, 1891. Under Abbott, June 16, 1891, January 24, 1892. Sir Joseph Philip Rinette Adolphe Caron. Under Abbott, January 25, 1892, November 24, 1892. Under Thompson, December 5, 1892, December 12, 1894. Louis Olivier Talon. Under Mackenzie Bowell, December 21, 1894, July 8, 1896. Sir William Melock. Under Laurier, July 13, 1896, October 15, 1905. Alan Bristol Aylesworth. Under Laurier, October 16, 1905, June 3, 1906. Rodolphe Lemieux. Under Laurier, June 4, 1906, August 10, 1911 and 11. Henry Severin Beland. Under Laurier, August 19, 1911, October 6, 1911. Louis Philippe Pelletier. Under Borden, October 10, 1911, October 19, 1914. Thomas Chase Casgrain. Under Borden, October 20, 1914, December 29, 1916. Pierre Edouard Blondin. Under Borden, January 8, 1917, July 10, 1920. Under May and July 10, 1920, September 20, 1921. Louis de Gonzague Belly. Under May and September 21, 1921, December 29, 1921. Charles Murphy. Under King, December 29, 1921, June 28, 1926. Robert James Mannion. Under May and August 23, 1926, September 25, 1926. Peter John Veniot. Under King, September 25, 1926, August 7, 1930. Arthur Sove. Under Bennett, August 7, 1930, August 13, 1935. Samuel Goebel. Under Bennett, August 16, 1935, October 23, 1935. John Campbell Elliott. Under King, October 23, 1935, January 22, 1939. Norman Alexander McLarty. Under King, January 23, 1939, September 18, 1939. Charles Gavin Power. Under King, September 19, 1939, May 22, 1940. 1940. James Lorimer Ilsley. Acting. Under King, May 23, 1940, July 7, 1940. 1940. 40, 40, teen 40, in 40, in 40, in 40, teen 40. William Patey Melock. Under King, July 8, 1940, June 8, 1945. Ernest Bertrand. Under King, August 29, 1945, November 15, 1948. Under St. Laurent, November 15, 1948, August 23, 1949. Gabriel Edouard Renfrit. Under St. Laurent, August 25, 1949, February 12, 1952. Alcide Cote. Under St. Laurent, February 13, 1952, August 7, 1955. Roch Pinard. Acting. Under St. Laurent, August 16, 1955, November 2, 1955. Hugues Lapointe. Under St. Laurent, November 3, 1955, June 21, 1957. William McLean Hamilton. Under Diefenbaker, June 21, 1957, July 12, 1962. John Angus MacLean. Acting. Under Diefenbaker, July 18, 1962, August 8, 1962. Ellen Lax Fairclough. Under Diefenbaker, August 9, 1962, April 22, 1963. Aeschylus Denys. Under Pearson, April 22, 1963, February 2, 1964. John Robert Nicholson. Under Pearson, February 2, 1964, February 14, 1965. René Tremblay. Under Pearson, February 15, 1965, December 17, 1965. Joseph Julien Jean-Pierre Cote. Under Pearson, December 18, 1965, April 20, 1968. He. Under Trudeau, April 20, 1968, July 5, 1968. Eric William Kierans. Under Trudeau, July 5, 1968, April 28, 1971. Joseph Julien Jean-Pierre Cote. Under Trudeau, April 29, 1971, November 26, 1972, second time. André Owlett. Under Trudeau, November 27, 1972, August 7, 1974. Bryce Stewart Mackesy. Under Trudeau, August 8, 1974, September 13, 1976. Jean-Jacques Blaise. Under Trudeau, September 14, 1976, February 1, 1978. Gilles Lamontagne. Under Trudeau, February 2, 1978, June 3, 1979. John Allen Fraser. Under Clark, June 4, 1979, March 2, 1980. Andre Owlett. Under Trudeau, March 3, 1980, October 15, 1981. Second time, Canada Post Corporation has had its own CEO and president since 1981, who has most of the administrative responsibilities previously exercised by the Postmaster General. With the abolition of the position of Postmaster General, the legislative and certain other duties previously exercised by the Postmaster General were transferred to the new position of Minister responsible for Canada Post Corp.